Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. So today we're going to look at how to use tags on your Pinterest pins correctly. So tags help Pinterest know what your pins are about. They also help people find your pins who are searching for those specific topics. So I'm going to go ahead and create a pin. Right, so I'm going to hit on create and pin. Then I'm going to upload my pin or image that I have already. Going to write in a title 20 simple ways. Just going to leave it like that for the tutorial. So then you would add a description, add your link if you have one that goes to like a website or a blog. Then I'm going to choose the board. Then I'm going to start putting in my tags. So have a think about what your pin relates to, and you're going to search tags. So Pinterest will sometimes suggest stuff to you as you start writing. So I'm going to write in small business. So I might put that in. So it might be related to jobs. So starting a business, money. So put that in, so making money. So you can see all the tags that you put in here underneath this box. So I think you put in up to 10 tags. So put in as many as you can think of that are related to your pin and then press publish. That's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.